Alrighty, guys. I haven't played this in like a week. I don't remember what I'm supposed to do. What do I do? Oh yeah, I have this key. So I can access the room that this dildo like blocked for me. So yeah. How's everyone's day doing today? Mine's been alright. Power went out for a couple hours. It's kind of what happens when you sidetrack and don't like prioritize. Did I kill this liquor? Oh crap. X is to aim. Now I know. Why thank you. Okay. There we go. Oh, whoa! That's a lot of people. That don't matter, because I'm gonna freaking tear you up. Yeah. Didn't expect. Oh crap. Is something gonna come from the edge? Corner? Does it come from the cut? Alright. I think we're good. What the? Oh crap. Forgot to run. I was shooting him, but I wasn't. There's a secret over here. Now I know what the secret is. Alrighty then. Just wait. Just wait. If he can. Oh. You. Get up. Alright. Damn. I keep forgetting the stupid controls. It would have been beautiful. I can't believe it. Alright. Right over here. Damn, it smells good. I could use an herb, because I was being an idiot. A dildo. Martin? Oh, damn it. Oh no, Martin! Damn, he turned pissed off. Oh god. I'm sorry I have to do this, Martin. But I had to blow your head off like a grape. Okay. We got another key. Sorry, Martin. Ooh. Mickey Mouse hats? Memo to Leon. To Leon S. Kennedy. Congratulations on your assignment today at Raccoon City Police. To Leon S. Kennedy. Congratulations on your assignment to the Raccoon City Police Department. We all look forward to having you as a part of our team and promise to take good care of you. Welcome aboard. From all the guys at the RPD. They were excited to have this man. Too bad it was canceled. Oh man. I have too many keys. Don't you love when I can just randomly just forget how to run? Yeah, that's fun. Hold up. Let's go out the other side. So now that we have the heart key, oh great, we're gonna have to go in that other room with 1,000 zombies. Yeah, that one also has 1,000 zombies. In case you didn't notice, that's a running trend in this game. So let's go blow their heads off, shall we? Okay. Bam, bam. Okay, come on. X and C. Aim and shoot. Oh. Oh, I can just cheagle it. Oh god. That was super close. Oh man. Why is there like 80,000 of y'all? I see you moving your head over here. Eh. Thought you could trick me. Bye. If I could figure out how to turn on the actual menu pause, then I could oh damn. Okay. This is the lock that I was talking about. 2, 2, 3. Yes. Now I got a whole bunch more heads to blow off. And a useless ass police station map that gets you more confused. There's herbs back there, but I don't have the room for them. Yes I will, gladly. That guy. Thank you, bye. Hold up, let's take care of these zombies first. I see you. I seen ya. You dildo. Okay, he's dead. There we go. Oh man. We go the other way. Oh, I forgot there's like 80,000 herbs out here. That's good. This leads you to that room with the crows, which I don't want to be in right now. Thank you. Go through the door. Thank you. So, we're gonna go down into the basement. Or whatever this place is. It's super scary. Oh, never mind. We're good. Can't be activated since the cord is cut. Okay, there we go. Oh boy. That's dogs. Oh, I thought they'd be around the corner. Oh, I ain't fooled. Get him up! Oh, nice one, Leon. Oh boy. No more dogs. Not anymore. Ooh. Just in the nick of teammate. That's time. In Ethiopian. Over here you can. Okay, cool. Up, down, up, down. Yeah. That unlocks the door that you need to have a key card to unlock. And to get that key card, you need another key. So we need to do a whole bunch of other bullshit that I don't like. And that means more dogs. Just in case y'all were wondering. That's the way to the dogs. So we're going the other way. If there is another way. Okay, see? Power is to the card reader is on. Weapon storage is electronically locked. There's a card reader on the left. See, the card is all the way over there. And we need a key to unlock the door. Nice.